we already completed our task. We have the YouTube account, and it's verified. We're verified.
Isn't it verified?
We're verified. You guys
You
get it.
said vertified.
Same difference. They understand.
Same difference is not the right
You guys
way to say it.
understand where I'm coming from. Proper English.
It's
That's
hot in here.
huge. I know, that's why I put on the AC.
That's why
But
it's
yeah.
on the AC.
So, Becky's leaving Tinder.
I'm leaving the US, guys, even though there's no one on this account but us.
I don't know why it keeps getting big. But yeah,
But anyways,
she's
I'm leaving for 3 weeks. I want to say goodbye to all my lovers. No, there's not. I'm gonna miss this girl right here.
I'm gonna miss my best friend.
Why did you change the picture? It looks like
'Cause-
I'm in an old newspaper.
Okay, so
I want to try that one.
this is a farewell to Becky Star.
It's summer and there's snowflakes. I want that one.
Jerk. So
Aw.
yeah, it's like 9:04, and she should be leaving now.
I was supposed to leave 2 hours ago.
So, farewell, farewell. I don't even know the song. So long, farewell.
Stop. If you know the song, please tell us, because she doesn't.
There's never a right time to say goodbye. But I gotta make
No, let's not sing the song. Maybe for another video we'll do singing.
My butt itches.
Want me to scratch it again?
No. Okay, so
Let's go back to normal. What is normal? That's not normal.
that's so depressing. That's like she's leaving. Okay, now normal.
That's normal? Damn,
Yeah.
the lighting here is bad.
I know. Not even here, it's there.
I think I
So-
burped in every video. And it's only been 2.
She is not stuck here. She's not all over the place.
Is that bubbles of me? I'm in bubbles, Papa.
She's leaving.
You've been saying that for the past 30 seconds.
Because you're leaving.
I'm
Oh yeah, but I'm leaving too. I'm leaving to Texas.
That is, you don't even know when you're leaving.
I'm leaving the 22nd
Really?
and the 23rd.
Really?
Yeah.
Don't leave.
You're already gonna be gone. So yeah, we're both on vacation when we just started. Meanwhile, we should be on our grind making videos, but I guess not. So, yo, we better not be like Demi Lovato and Selena, how they split up. They were like best friends and they made YouTube videos, and then I don't know what happened to Miley Cyrus and that girl Amanda.
Isn't
But
it
yeah.
Mandy?
I don't know. I don't really care. She's not famous.
I heard Maya has a tattoo in her ear.
Yeah, it's love. I think it's in here or something. I like it. It's pretty.
What do you
Shout
think?
outs to Miley Cyrus for her tattoo on her ear.
In her ear.
Oh yeah, that even greater. So yeah.
I think we should say bye now.
Yes, we shall. And goodbye.
Can I say bye to someone special?
Go ahead.
Bye, Anna.